Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see about the binary search statement which is used in SAP ABAP. First let me show you where this binary search statement is used. This binary search statement is used while reading the internal table. This is a place where we will use the binary search statement. This is the internal table. Tab 2, we are going to read this internal table using the binary search statement. First let me explain you the few importance about the binary search statement. The first thing comes to mind is the first question. What all you will ask is whether this binary search statement will have any extra functionalities or what is the necessity of using this binary search statement. Let me make it clear that this binary search statement will not have any additional functionalities to add to a report or to your object, but when we use this binary search statement, it will have the drastic improvements in the performance of the program. Let me explain you how this binary search statement will work by giving a simple example. Now let's take, I have the 20 employee ID cards in my packet, which is not arranged in a proper ascending order. So now the person named Keshavan comes and asks me that he needs his ID card by saying his employee ID 1017. What I will do, I will start searching for his ID card from first ID card 101, 108, 103, 107. I will search it from starting up to I am reaching this ID card number 1017, and I will take and give it to him. Then again the person named Karthik K comes and asks me his ID card by saying his employee ID number. Then again I will start it from the first. I will search all these ID cards and I will finish up with this ID card and I will take and give. And if the Ganti comes and asks, I will follow the same process to do. So this is a 20 ID cards. So it will not take some huge time to distribute these ID cards. Now let's take, I need to distribute this ID cards for the 1000 people in my company. How much time it will take? It will take nearly 1 day to see all the ID cards for all the persons. So instead of this method, we can follow another one simple way to distribute this ID card. That way is called arranging all these employee IDs in the ascending order. See, let's see from here 101, 102, 103, 105, 100 up to 120 we have the employee IDs. Now let's take Prasad comes and asks me his ID card. His ID card is 1014. Same, it is here. So if Prasad comes and asks me his ID card, he will say his employee ID is 1014. So what I will do, instead of searching it from the top to bottom, I will do it on work. I will split this complete employee IDs 20 ID cards into two halves. First I will split up to first half and second half. So I will see the last ID card of my first half. So it will be 1010. So as Prasad has said his employee ID is 1014, I don't want to worry about the first 10 ID cards. From here to here I no need to worry about, because 1014 will be coming at the bottom. So I no need to check all these ID cards whether Prasad's ID card is inside this one. So I will neglect this ID cards. I will concentrate on this second set of ID cards. So again from this ID cards I will split this 10 ID cards into two equal halves, and it will result in my first half will be 1011 to 1015. So I will see the last ID card of this one, first half, it will be 1015. So obviously my 1014 ID card will be above that one. So I will neglect this bunch of ID cards. I don't want to see this bunch of ID cards. I don't want to see this bunch of ID cards. So I will concentrate it only based on this one, and I will easily take this 1014 without seeing all these ID cards. So this is a way how we can take the ID card easily if we have the key field, let's take this as a 1014. This is the same way how the binary set statement will work. Now let's consider this is the internal table. Yep. My internal table has employee number, employee name, and all these details, and you consider this tab 2 internal table as this internal table, and we are passing this key field. This key field I will pass it as 1014. So from this internal table, from this internal table tab 2, I need to take the field 1014. So if you didn't use the binary set statement, it will search it from the top to bottom, and if it reaches the 1014, it will stop it from, it will not read all this thing, but it will start it from the starting up to it reaching 1014. It will be searching the whole list of entries which is available in this internal table. Now so it will take some time. Now if you use the binary set statement, it will not read all these values. Instead, it will split entries into two halves. Like first it will consider first 10, where it will see at the last one what is the ID there. It will be 1010. So it will not consider the first half of the entries. It will consider next half, and then it will again split it into two. Then again it will know where this 1014 is. So it will pick it easily. Now since this is 20, you will not have the drastic performance improvements. It will be, if you use binary search or not, it will have some minor improvements in the performance. Now let's take, if you have 1000 entries in the internal table, then 1000 or lakhs of entries, then it will have, you can see the huge performance improvements in your report. Thank you. I hope I have clearly explained this binary search statement. Let me know for your comments if any. Thank you all.